name's Herky here, one of the admins here on the MoneyByte team. A warm welcome to you all, old faces and new. We're pleased to have our guests tonight from the Pangolin project, and we'll be speaking to them shortly. Temperature here in the United Kingdom is balmy 12 degrees. It's been a beautiful Easter Sunday, and we've been enjoying it all. For those that are listening on the podcast, I hope you have a very happy Easter so far and are staying safe. For those that are new to our podcast, we'll be posting screenshots in the channel above called Voice Chat Text, so you can see the live screenshots that we are posting there. So let's get started with our weekly broadcast of the 4th of April. Thank you very much for joining, and let's look at crypto in the bigger fields. Well, what can we say about BTC this week? Well, if we look at the chart, this time last week when we spoke, the BTC was at $55,500. It is now around the 58 level. We did see a brief peak up at 60, but it seems to be happy at this level at this point in time. Now, Ethereum has been the one that's been moving quite heavily this week. If we look at Ethereum, it broke that magic 2,000 level. Last week we were talking about it at 1,700. It has peaked at $20-50, but we seem to have settled around a nice level now, showing a nice constant gain there. Volume has been quiet this weekend, as you would expect, with the public holidays in many of the countries, and it continues to gain strength. What else has been happening in the news? Well, we had an article reference Binance, and they've seen a huge surge in their derivatives platform on crypto, and it took £10 billion or $10 billion of crypto in on Saturday alone. So it is definitely one to watch, the Binance, and the institutional investors actually moving in to the actual investment scene. But why is it growing? Is it coming from institutional investors, or is it coming from the retail market? Well, Coinbase published a chart recently on the number of wallets being created on the Bitcoin chain. That was considerably growing, and then when they looked at it, they noticed that they were the smaller wallet addresses holding BTC, which would imply that the retail investor is becoming a lot more interested in it. Whilst they're seeing growth in the larger wallets, the growth was a lot larger in the smaller amounts of BTC held within those wallets, which would imply that the retail investors are becoming more and more interested in crypto as it goes. Well, on the MoneyByte scene, we've been doing payouts for most of the day. They are progressing as we speak. All 50 coins are well underway of being paid out. 3/4 of them are now done, and things are looking good on that front. But tonight we are introducing a project to you called Pangolin. Now, we're pleased to have received support from the Pangolin project, and we're pleased to launch it on our hedged platform. For those that don't know about the hedged platform, is that people invest their MoneyByte coins into the hedge in order to receive the rewards of 2 masternodes, 2 Pangolin masternodes. Each Sunday, those rewards, 90% of those rewards are paid out and distributed to those MoneyByte investors. Now, what is the benefit to MoneyByte? Well, we love working with other projects and promoting them, giving them the opportunity to bring their project to the forefront. And from the Pangolin point of view, we hope to share our Discord users and point people in the direction of the Pangolin project to make further investments directly with them. So with that, I would like to introduce 2 members of the team, CryptoVin and Citizen7, both lead admins on the team, to explain a little bit about the project. Guys, who would like to come to the microphone phone first. Feel free to unmute yourself. CryptoVin.
Hi, how you doing? Thanks for having
Very
us.
well. Thank you very much for joining us on this Easter Sunday and us taking away from your family, and likewise with Citizen 7 now.
Hello.
So, hi, many thanks for joining us this evening. Can you tell us a little bit about the Pangolin project, please?
Maybe I will start a bit and I will let CryptoVin to continue. Sorry for my English. So I'm Citizen Z, and I have founded Pangolin Coin back in March 2020, and then CryptoVin joined me, and then Alone Wolf joined us. Alone Wolf is our main blockchain developer, and maybe CryptoVin, you can continue.
Sure. So Pangolin Coin, it's a proof of stake consensus algorithm, and so we have staking within our wallet, and we also have masternodes that you can set up. It's 100,000 Pangolin coins makes up a masternode. There's different platforms you can invest on, or you could set up your own masternode on a server. You can stake in your wallet, Kiwi wallet, desktop. We're focused on fast transaction. We're focused on our community and real world utilization. A couple of things that we are focusing on as goals for this year are we want to get on another top 100 exchange. And we want to add a ZK Snarks privacy protocol, and also we're aiming to having smart contracts, being able to run smart contracts on our blockchain as well. We have many different partnerships, and we just partnered with a whole bunch of sites, including MoneyByte, also Discord marketing sites, and we just listed on LNO Casino's platform as a form of payment, and also a couple other many different kinds of partnerships you can check out on our website.
That's great.
I hope that answered a little bit about our project.
That certainly does. How do you see? Where would you feel that you would be this time next year? You've mentioned new exchanges. It sounds like you're very proactive in growing your community. How are you going to launch it to the wider field?
Yeah, so like I said, we're just about a little bit over a year old, so we're constantly trying to grow our community. We have partnered with many different Discord marketing sites. Our first one was actually Crypto Masters. They're a pretty big marketing Discord, and they help us market Pangolin Coin to the masses. We also hold our own giveaways and airdrops on our Discord channel and through our social media marketing. But we are looking to expand that into specifically hiring a marketing company at some point, hopefully in the near future, to really start to ramp up the marketing to get our community even larger than it is now.
That's brilliant. That's really good, because I've been in your Discord for some time now, and you have a very active community, and yes, you are definitely growing, and you're definitely moving in the right direction, to say the least. I'll post a couple of charts up in the voice chat text there. Your price on your current exchange, you've got good solid volume. The price is nice and stable now. I've pulled a few little glimpses from iHost and CoinGecko. You've got there's 65 nodes running at the moment, so the ROI is very attractive at this point in time. All the nodes are stable. I must commend you on your wallet. Very slick, very easy to use. very nice. I haven't had any troubles with it at all over the last 3 weeks. It's been running very sweetly there. If we look at the actual technical infos on the coin itself, your chain is running very sweet. Your block time is good. Your ROI is a very sensible 87% at the moment. So there's no overinflation there. And with a collateral of 100,000 Penguin coins, I think your project is doing very well, and full marks to you on that. I see great things moving forward. Citizen 7, any comments from yourself, sir?
No, I think CryptoVin, I said a lot. Penguin coin, it's okay for me.
Yeah, that's not a problem at all. So, CryptoVin, you've got a very good project. We wish you well in the future. Thank you for supporting the MoneyByte hedge pools, and we will continue to launch our Discord and promote the Penguin project on an ongoing basis. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. It's very much appreciated.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us. And if anybody has any questions about our project, please come to our Discord and we can discuss your questions there in more detail.
Yeah,
certainly. We have a Penguin Discord channel here with all the relevant links, which we've borrowed from your Discord, and the Discord link will be there. And I hope you get lots of new members moving your way. For the Penguin listeners that are listening to the podcast, you've got a very good project, and we look forward to moving forward with Penguin in the future. Well, thank you very much for that. Back to the MoneyByte side of things. Jimmy, could you update us as to what is happening on the MoneyByte front at present, please?
Well, I can. Good evening, Pete. Good evening, everyone. Listeners now live, and those who are listening later on the recorded version of this podcast. What can I tell? Well, I can tell we've launched a hedged pool. Everyone heard the Penguin coin on the MoneyByte hedged pool section. Do not forget that Penguin coin is also listed on our MoneyByte staking service. So if any one of the listeners or later on the viewers on YouTube want to stake the Penguin coins but do not have their own resources, you can rent a wallet at our MoneyByte staking service for 100 MoneyByte coins a year. And then you can choose, for example, the Penguin coin to run and stake your coins over there. When you go to the MoneyByte staking service or the hedged pools, or I don't know if the fixed interest is also, I'm looking now at it, yeah, that's also adjusted. One of our tech support members, Daniel, has done some makeover on the platform. Past week I told already that he was busy with it. As said a few weeks ago, we are not working on our platform, developing it furthermore. We are searching and investigating into a new system, but we are still working on the front end to smoothen it up. And as far as I can see, Daniel has done a very good job. He's not online at the moment, sleeping. He's in Australia. As far as I know, it's midnight, over midnight there, so he will not be online at the moment. But he has done a very good job. Looking very smooth, all the sheets are working, very cool, very good job. That about the front end job. Also, I have something to say about the mining on our platform. You can buy, if you do not have the resources to mine, you can rent. I said buy, but you can rent some mining equipment. Our great Paul has got some mining equipments available. You can rent it with MoneyByte coins. When you go to that section, there's a calculator on it, and you can calculate how many coins you have to pay, for example, for a RX 580, etc., etc. go over to there. The link is shown. When you watch the video, you can see it also. But also on the investment mining pools, you have the possibility to mine for MoneyByte coins. Although we are a proof of stake coin, people can mine MoneyByte coins through our partner X30. I saw one guy was going to mine on the pool this week. He posted it on our Discord server. If you have equipment and do not know what to do with it, why not use it for the MoneyByte mining pool? Then about the Twitter, as everyone know, I did all the Twitter and the social media until 3-4 weeks ago. I think it was 3 weeks ago when Carlos joined our team, and Carlos is doing all the social media at the moment, and he's doing a very good job. He's gaining a lot of attention, especially on Twitter also. So all credits to Carlos for that. And I hope that all the listeners who wants to make this project succeed more can help him on Twitter when he does tweets, etc. Reply or retweet or whatever you have to do on the social media thing. And last but not least, I want to call out to all the listeners. If you want to help out our project, for example, on the marketing, we have place available in our team to help out Miguel, Carlos and Tammy with the marketing. They can use some hands on it. Whatever you can, maybe it's graphics or name it. If you have some knowledge or skills, please reach out to us. And that also goes for our crypto engineers section. At the moment we have Konstantinos, Daniel and Jonathan who are doing their great jobs on all the things. As said, Daniel has done a good smoothing up of the front end. But if you have some skills with websites, with PHP, even with blockchain tech, reach out to us. We can have all the help we can use all the help. And then about our developers, they are doing a good job. At the moment, David is still working on a small wallet update. We are not planning to do big wallet updates, also not in the coming year, because everything is working smooth and well, no problems with our chain, so we do not want to mess up with that. We are, as said, investigating on a new technical system for our platform. That was all I had to say about the MoneyByte things behind the scene, Piet.
That's great. Many thanks for that, Jimmy. That's a perfect update. Nice to see that we're all busy building up there. The MoneyByte price has been stable around about the 120 sats mark, has been up to 200, keeps bobbing between the two. So happy with that price at the moment. Long and steady is the motto with MoneyByte. So check out the Pangolin project. Links are all posted. There are currently 432 Pangolin coins ready for distribution already from the 2 masternodes. They're all going to be, as the masternodes run throughout the week, you'll see that number updating on the website automatically, and you'll be able to see the number of investors and your proportion share of what you can get for those Pangolin coins. So please check out the Pangolin project, pick up a few cheap MoneyBytes off GraviX, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll play you out with our standard theme tune.